There's my catch can. I just filled up an entire bottle of water with the unused and condensated water and oil mixture that the catch can collects that would be otherwise floating around in my engine somewhere. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to see if I can get more out of it, because I was surprised it filled up. It's been a while since I checked it, so I have a lot. We've had a lot of cold weather. I think when it's colder, it produces more of it. But that's what it looks like. It's pretty gross. It's got little chunks of stuff in it. Kind of looks like urine sample, actually. Ugh. So I will dispose of this properly, and I will show you. Get it. I'll put it in this thing here, if I can. Where's my funnel at? I have a funnel up here. I forgot to get it out. Here, funnel. It'd be nice if we had lights. Well, that smells funny too. Doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would. Where the heck is that funnel thing? Is this it here? I might not have it anymore. No, I'm going to just try to pour it in there without the funnel thing. There. And I'm going to try to do it again. See if I can aim that over there. I don't think so.